If Mexican fried rice sounds good to you, stick around and I will teach you how to make this dish guilt-free. Start by dicing up a half of a bell pepper and a fourth of an onion. Then you are going to brown 1 pound of ground beef. So you are going to use whatever type of ground beef you want. And for me, I am doing a low-fat version of this, so I am using 93.7. Later on, we're going to add a half a cup of chicken broth, and then we're going to do 3 tablespoons of taco seasoning. I'm also adding a can of tomatoes that are diced with green chilies, and then I have a half of a head of cauliflower. It's about 16 ounces. I already riced it, and I had this in my freezer, so I just took it out and stuck it in the microwave a few minutes to defrost a little bit. Now what I'm going to do is I am going to brown up my ground beef. Now once that ground beef is almost all the way cooked through and it's just a little bit pink, you're going to add the onion and the pepper, and you're going to go ahead and cook it until it's no longer pink. And then what you're going to do is you're going to stir in that 3 tablespoons of your taco seasoning. Now you can use whatever kind of taco seasoning you want. I just chose the Redmond's because it has really good clean ingredients. So once your taco seasoning's mixed in your hamburger meat really well, you're just going to dump in your can of tomatoes. Mix it up really well, then you're going to go ahead and add your riced cauliflower. Make sure that's incorporated, and then lastly you're going to add your broth and mix that all together. Put a lid on it and just simmer it for a few minutes until it's done. I'd say about 10 minutes or so. Give it a taste and make sure that you don't need to add any salt or anything. You can always add some salt. I added about a teaspoon of salt. So this is a dish your whole family will love, and believe it or not, on the Hyper Ketosis diet, 1/4 of this whole skillet equals 1 meal for the day. This dish is perfect for somebody on keto. Just add extra fat, add in some sour cream, add in some cheese, add in some guacamole or avocado. Y'all make it your own. It's so versatile. As always, if you have any suggestions or tweaks to this recipe or any others that you'd like me to try out, drop it in the comments below or send me an email. I always love to hear from you guys. So if you haven't already and you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. And if you wouldn't mind, go ahead and share the recipe with your friends. That would help my channel grow. Thanks for joining me, you guys. Hope to catch you again here next time. Bye.